Hi grade 5s, how are you doing? I hope that you're all well and ready for today's lesson. We're going to be covering area and perimeter. Okay, these are very simple concepts, so let's go through it very quickly because I know you know it already. Okay, so again, this is just a revision lesson. We're just going to go through it once or twice. We're going to go on to volume in the next chapter or in the next video, and we'll also cover what we spoke about today. Okay, so let's go through this. What is area? Who can tell me? What is area? Area is the measurement of what, where, a polygon or figure. Okay, write that down quickly if you know the answer. Area is the measurement of space inside a shape or a figure or a polygon. Okay, so here we have a rectangle. As you know, the rectangle has two lengths and two breadths. When I calculate area, one length times one width or one breadth. And that's how I find area of a rectangle. You know that the area of the square has four equal sides. So the area is side times side. Okay, let's do this example very quickly. One more time, I'm calculating the measurement of space inside a shape. So 7 lengths, the length is 7 units and the breadth is 4 units. So the area of the rectangle is length times breadth, 7 times 4, 28 square units. Okay, the next example is a square. You know it's side times side when I'm calculating area. Area is 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters. So my area is 16 centimeters squared. Perfect. Next example. No examples. Now it's only time to practice. Please make sure you have a pen or a piece of paper or any notes on your phone or on your computer, whatever you have. Can you take notes for the next few examples? So I'll show you a house, and in the house we'll have rooms, and your job will be to calculate the area of the rooms that I ask you for. So you've got two jobs: find the room and then calculate the area and write it down. Okay. Are you ready? Do you have a pen? Do you have a piece of paper? Here we go. Find the areas of the hallway, the kitchen, and the bathroom. The unit of measure is feet. You have 30 seconds. Just ignore this timer. It doesn't work properly. So the hallway, very quickly, is 3 feet by 20 feet. That's the hallway. The kitchen is 7.5 feet wide by 11 feet long and 11 feet long. And the bathroom is 6 feet by 6 feet. So here we go. How many square feet is the hallway? If it's 3 times 20, that is 60 square feet. What is the square footage of the kitchen? The kitchen, that's 11 feet times 7.5 feet. You know how to multiply decimals. If there's one decimal in the question, there should be one decimal in the answer. Final answer is 82.5 square feet. Next, what is the square footage of the bathroom? The bathroom, 6 feet times 6 feet is 36 square feet. Next, who can tell me? Well, I wish you could tell me, but who knows? What is the perimeter? What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around of a figure or a shape or a polygon. Okay, You should know this. Perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a shape or a polygon or a figure. So you know that we have two lengths and we have two breadths. The total distance around it is two lengths plus two breadths. Two lengths plus two breadths. Or plus all the sides. So length plus breadth, or length plus breadth times 2. Okay, that was a lot of ors. So you choose, up to you. Okay, and then we have the perimeter of a square. A square, all sides are equal, so side times 4. Easy to remember. Okay, let's look at this example. Very, very quickly, we have a rectangle. It's 7 inches long and 4 inches wide. So the perimeter would be 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 8 is 22. 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4, or 7 plus 4 is 11, times 2 is 22. So this one has everything you need. If you want to plus all the sides, if you want to say 2 lengths plus 2 breadths, or if you want to say length plus breadth times 2. Okay, and this was a word problem. The word problem was, this is a picture frame, it's a square. How long is the wood? What is the total length of the wood if one side is 5 centimeters? So if this here is 5 centimeters. How much wood do I have? What is the total length of all the wood? Not just one side, all the wood. Okay, so that's 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So that's 5 times 4, which is 20 centimeters. Okay, you guessed it. It's quiz time again. Okay, please make sure you've got your pencil and your pen handy. Okay, so here we go. Your job is to find the perimeters of the garage, the master bedroom, and the bathroom. So what is the perimeter this time? Maybe, I want to put the skirting just above the tiles. I want to make sure that there's a wooden frame around each room. So tell me, what is the perimeter of each room? The garage is a square, the bathroom is a square, the master bedroom is a rectangle. Find the perimeters very, very quickly. So that's 4 times 4. There's 4 sides. So that's the garage. The master bedroom, 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. And the bathroom is 4 times the side. Side times 4. Okay. So if you got 16 meters for question number 1, you are correct. If you got 18 meters for question 2, you're perfectly fine. And for question number 3, if you got 8 meters, you got everything correct. That's beautiful. That's perfect. Okay, let's look at composite figures now. So we actually did this in grade 4, but we didn't have enough time to do it this time. So let's see if you guys can remember. Composite figures are shapes, 2 or more shapes put together. So if I had, say for example here, look at this rocket. Different shapes make up the rocket. So number 3 is a rectangle. Number 4, we know, it's an equilateral triangle. And number 1 and 2, those are right-angled triangles. Okay. This big long arrow at the bottom, we know that number 1 and number 2, those two are parallelograms, and they've been joined together to make one shape. Okay. Our job today is to find the area and the perimeter of the figure below. The first thing to do is to find the perimeter, and then the area afterwards. So let's do that. If you want to quickly draw that, you can. It's an L shape upside down. So this here is 5, the bottom is 3, this one I don't know, this one I don't know, this one is 2, this one is 6. So you know that if I need to find perimeter, I have to know all the sides so I can plus them together. Okay, so step number 1. We're going to find these 2 lengths that I don't know because I need it. I need it to find the total distance. So 6 plus 5 plus 3, and then these 2 I don't know. Okay, so 5 equals the opposite 2 lengths, or vertical lines. So 2 plus what equals 5. So that's 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So these 2 all add up, they equal. And then the top length and the bottom 2, they split. So if this one is 3, what's this? That's 6, and this is 3. What's that? Okay, so I find out that 6 minus 3 is 3, so now I have all the lengths. So now I can add them to find the perimeter. Perfect. 6 plus 6 is 11, plus 9 plus 2 is 22. Okay. Right, okay, the area looks so complicated, but it's not. It's really easy. Look. The first thing we need to do is separate the composite figures, break it up into shapes that I know. So break it up into shapes that I know. Here, I know that this is a rectangle, and this is a square. And this here, I know this is a rectangle here, and that's a rectangle too. So up to you, you cut it to do whatever you need to, as long as you can find the shapes, or the area for those shapes. So if I start with this, with the 2 rectangles, area will be length times breadth plus length times breadth. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 times 2 is 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. So you put the 2 together. And then the opposite, if you wanted to work with a square and a rectangle, then you had to calculate 6 times 2 is 12, and 3 times 3 is 9. If I add 12 and 9, I get 21 feet squared. So look at that. No matter how you cut it, your answer would still be the same. Make sure to find the unknown lengths. Okay, I have a bit of a challenge for you. Please find the perimeter and the area of this figure below. So this one is exactly the same shape, but it's inverted, it's upside down, so it's not exactly the same. But here we go. Copy this down, try to get the answer. Today you have no homework, so that's good, but you probably will have a little bit of homework going forward because I can't see you, so I need to know that you're okay. If you have any questions, please ask, and I hope that you guys had fun in this lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.